Hello friends, I am Vikran. I am the student of GMC department in Central University of Haryana. My roll number is 190824. Today we are going to discuss about qualitative method case studies. Firstly, we will discuss uh, introduction. What is the introduction of case studies? Uh, Introduction is to graduate students and researchers unfamiliar with case study methodology. There is often misunderstanding about what a case study is and how it as a form of qualitative research. Case study is a form of qualitative descriptive research that is used to look at individuals, a small group of participants, uh, or a group as a whole. This qualitative method of study emphasizes detailed contextual analysis of a limited number of events or conditions and their relationships. Researchers have used the case study research method for many years across a variety of disciplines. This is the brief introduction about the qualitative method. Uh, Third is case study. We are defining case study. It is What is the case study? It is a systematic inquiry into an event or a set of related events which aims to describe and explain the phenomena of interest. It refers to the collection and presentation of detailed information about a particular participant or small group, frequently including the accounts or subjects themselves. It is an in-depth study of a particular situation rather than a sweeping statistical survey. When a case study appropriate and what is need of case study? According to Yin 2003, a case study can be considered when a the focus of the study is to answer how and why questions. B. You cannot manipulate the behavior of those involved in the study. C. You want to cover contextual conditions because you believe they are relevant to the phenomena under study. D. The boundaries are not clear between the phenomena and context. What it may be revealed. Through case study, a researcher can closely examine the data within a specific context. Through case study, a researcher can examine contemporary real-life situations and provide the basis for the applications of ideas and extension of methods. Through case study, a researcher can test theoretical models by using them in real-world situations. A case study may not answer a question completely, but it will give some indications and allow further elaborations and hypothesis creations on a subject. Why we are use case study? What are the reasons behind it? The reasons behind it is first, the case study are a great way to improve a learning experience because they get the learner involved and encourage immediate use of newly acquired skills. They differ from lectures or assigned readings because they require participations and deliberate applications of a broad range of skills. Case studies help researchers make the difference between knowing what to do and knowing how, when, and why to do it. What are the case study applications? First, utilization of the case study as a teaching method. Second, practical applications and testing of scholarly knowledge. Third, provides an approximation of various professional environments, that is, classroom, boardrooms, courtrooms, or hospital. Incorporates the idea that students can learn from one another by engaging with each other ideas. By asserting something and then having it questioned, challenged, and thrown back at them so that they can reflect on what they hear and they refine what they say. Bohrer, 1990. What are the design of case study? It is of two types: single case design, multiple case design. A design of case study to obtain as complete a picture of the participant as possible. Case study researchers can employ a variety of case study designs. Some common designs include single case and multiple case design. Single case design, it is where events are limited to a single occurrence. However, the drawback of this design is its inability to provide the generalizing conclusion, in particular when the events are rare. Multiple case design, it can be adopted with real life events that show numerous sources of evidence through replication rather than sampling logic. What are the types of case study? It is of seven types: Ex- explanatory, exploratory, descriptive, multiple case study, intrinsic, instrumental, collective. First, we are discussing about explanatory. Uh, explanatory. This type of case study would be used if you were seeking to answer a question that sought to explain the presumed causal links in real life interventions that are too complex for the survey or experimental strategies. Example: Jia 2002, analyzing a web-based e-commerce learning community, a case study in Brazil, Internet Research 12 305 317. Exploratory. It is the type of case study that is used to explore those situations in which the interventions being evaluated has no clear single set of outcomes. Example: Lothar and Bottroff 2001, an observational study of the development of a nurse-patient relationships clinically nursing research 10 to 75 to 94. Uh, Descriptive. This type of case study is used to describe an intervention of phenomena and the real life context in which it occurred. Example Tolson, Fleming, and Saratu 2002 copied with menstruating understanding the needs of women with Parkinson's disease. Journal of Advanced Nursing 40 513521. Multiple case study. It enables the researcher to explore differences within the between cases. Example Campbell and Arians 1998 innovative community services for rape victims and applications of multiple case study methodology. American Journal of Community Psychology 26 537 Intrinsic. The term intrinsic suggested that researchers who have a genuine interest in the case should use this approach when the intent is to better understand the case. It is not undertaken primarily because the case represents other cases or because it illustrated a particular trait or problem, but because in all its particularity and ordinariness, the case itself is of interest. Example Lindstrom, Nolan, and Lund 2005. We do things together. A case study of couplehood in Dementia 41722. Instrumental. It is used to accomplish something other than understanding a particular situation. It provides insight into a issue or helps to refine a theory. Example Luck, Jackson, and user stem components of observable behavior that indicate a potential for patient violence and in an emergency departments. Journal of Advanced Nursing 591119. Seventh is collective. It is similar in nature and description to multiple case studies. Example Shahib 2003 rule stress in the professional life of the school music teacher, a collective case study. Journal of Research in Music Education 51 124 136. Advantages and limitations of case study. Now we are discussing about the what are the advantages and limitations of case study. First is the primary advantage of case study is that it provides much more detailed information than what is available through other methods such as surveys. Case studies also allow one to present data collected from multiple methods. Can be lengthy because they provide detailed information about the case in narrative form. It may be difficult to hold a reader's interest if too lengthy. Concern that case studies lack rigor. Case studies have been viewed in the evaluation and research field as less rigorous than surveys or other methods. Reasons for this include the fact that qualitative research in general is still considered unscientific by some, and in many cases, case study researchers have not been systematic in their data collection or have allowed bias in their findings. Advantages and limitations of case study are not generalizable. A common complaint about case studies is that it is difficult to generalize from one case to another, but case studies have also been prone to overgeneralization, which comes from selecting a few examples and assuming without evidence that they are typical or representative of the population. Steps involved in case study. The steps involved in case study are as follows. First, plan. Identify stakeholders who will be involved. Brainstorm a case study topic considering types of case and why they are unique or of interest. Identify what information is needed and from whom. Identify any document needed for review. List stakeholders to be interviewed or surveyed, national facility and beneficiary levels, and determine sample of necessary. Ensure research will follow international and national ethnical ethical research standards, including review by ethical research committees. Steps involved in case study 2. Develop instruments, interview and survey protocols, the rules that guide the administration and implementations of the interview survey. Put simply, that are the instructions that are followed to ensure consistency across interviews, surveys, and thus increase the reliability of the findings. Develop an interview guide survey that lists the questions or issues to be explored and includes an informed consent form. Please note that you will likely need interview guide surveys for each group and stakeholders, as questions many differ. Where necessary, translate guides into local language and test translation. Steps involved in case study. Third, train data collectors. Identify and train data collectors is necessary. Collect data, gather or relevant documents, set up interviews, surveys with the stakeholders, seek informed consent of each respondent, write written or documented oral. If the respondent has consented, conduct the interview survey. Fifth, analyze data. Review all relevant documents, review all interview survey data, disseminate findings, write report, solicit feedback, revise, disseminate. What are the potential sources of information? Case studies typically rely on multiple sources of information and methods to provide as complete a picture as possible. Information sources could include project documents, reports, including quarterly reports, midterm reviews, monitoring visits, mystery client reports, facility assessment reports, interviews, questionnaire, survey result, evaluation reports, observation, and others. Elements of case study. A case study do not have set elements that are needed to be included. These elements were vary depending on the case or story chosen, the data collected, and the however case studies typically describe a program or intervention put it in place to address a particular problem. Elements of a case study. Here are some elements that you could draw out from in order to conduct your case study problem. First problem, it is essential to identify what the problem was. Second, first, identify your problem. Explain why the problem is important. How was the problem identified? Was the problem for identifying the problem effective? Steps taken to address the problem. What was done? Activities, interventions, inputs, where, why, whom, for whom, results. What were the results of your intervention, particularly the significant or unique results? Elements of case study. Fourth, challenges and how they were met. This focuses on what challenges or difficulties you encountered and what you did to overcome them. Beyond results, are the results mentioned about sustainable? Why or why not? Lessons learned. What lessons were learned? Programmatic, technical, financial, process, etc. How case study presented? Case study are flexible in that they can be presented in a number of ways. There is no specific format to follow. Here is a suggested report outline that could be used in presenting a case study: introduction and justification, methodology. Uh, uh, how was the process carried out? Describe the process of selecting the case and data collection sources, as well as how data was collected. Be what assumptions are there, if any? Are there any limitations with this method? Uh, how the case study presented. uh, D. What instruments were used to collect data? You may want to include some or all the in the appendix. E. What samples are being used? F. Over which period of time was this data collected? Third, the problem. Fourth, the step taken to address the problem. Fifth, the results. Sixth, the challenges and how they were met. Seventh, beyond results. Eighth, lessons learned. Ninth, conclusion. And tenth, appendices. Thank you. Uh, I am Vikrant. My roll number is 190824. This is submitted to Dr. Bharti Batra ma'am. Thank you.